Hello and welcome to my first video YouTube review. At first I want to highlight that no one pays me for this review. I found and buy this product by my own. Motivation for this was a withdrawal by the Insta360 GO2 Power USB mount. I searched for a replacement for very long time. And finally I think I found a worthy successor. Product that I want to showcase to you allow you to power the Insta360 GO2 camera from 5V rail. That can be taken from your flight controller directly or from external BEC. Mount actually comes in two parts. One is a PCB that comes with a nice little plug equipped with a funny small cover. That will probably be lost very quickly, but still it's a very nice touch. Contact pins are located on the other side of the PCB. Please notice that they are springy, exactly like original ones in Insta360 charging case. Final touch for this component is a thick, probably vinyl sticker that gives extra slip when installing the camera and protects the screw mount. PCB should be installed on a 3D printed case using a short screw that was part of the set. TPU case is very good quality. Same like PCB showed a second ago. Everything fits ideally. I didn't have any problems with assembly. The plug itself is equipped with a small little latch that will prevent it from falling out during flight. It can be ordered with few flavors. That will allow you to mount camera vertically or horizontally, using mount dedicated for the original big GoPro or naked version. Someone who designed this TPU case did a great job. The camera fits very safely and easily. Like I mentioned on the beginning, this mount should be powered by 5V rail. Please keep in mind that if you connect it directly to the quad battery, you will definitely damage your camera, so please be careful. After powering the camera, it will start to charge the battery. Remote case connects to the camera during that time without any issues, and full control remains. Also, removing GO2 from this mount is not very difficult and takes only few seconds. I think it's a great product that I can fully recommend and can fully replace the Insta360 GO2 USB Power mount. In the description you can find an affiliate link to the store when I buy it. If you want to thank me for finding this and sharing with you, please use it. Store itself is located in China, but I have zero problems with ordering it to the European Union. Wait period was more or less about 1.5 weeks. Thank you for watching and I hope you will consider this video as useful.